Hello, this is the tutorial for Qirui Pay used for Service Market on JAM 2024. So in this video, I will cover how to log in, how to reset password, and also how to edit stall information. First of all, this year, all the students, parents, and teachers can use their ISF email account to log in instead of their original code. For example, my original student ID is this. Now instead, I will simply append my email address to log in. Once I logged in, I can access Qirui Pay as normal. Now, after log out, if I'm using the same device, I can log in again without inputting the information. Now, if I forget my password, I can use this function. Simply input my email address and send the code. Now I will patiently wait for the code to appear in my email, and then I will use the confirmation code to update my password. Now, my password is successfully updated and I can log in again with my new password. Okay, great. Now I will show the stall login and editing stall information. For example, this is my stall. Now if I want to edit my profile, I simply click this button and say, please visit. This is a description that will be displayed. And this is a website link where you can freely edit to whatever you want. And finally, upload image. You can choose an image from your phone's album, for example this one, and now it will be saved. And you can view your updated stall in the ranking. And finally, this year, any user with an email address can activate their Qirui Pay account simply by inputting their email address here and sending a code. If not, you can also use the traditional method by scanning your student ID card to activate. Thank you for using Qirui Pay for JAM Service Market 2024. I hope you have a great experience tomorrow.